Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to export your Obsidian notes, whether you are sharing, backing them up, and moving to another platform. Let's get started. Obsidian stores your notes as markdown files by default. To export, simply navigate to your Vault folder on your computer, copy the .md files, and share or back them up. These markdown files can be opened in most text editors like VS Code or note-taking apps. If you want to export a note as a PDF, here's how. Open the note in Obsidian. Click the three-dot menu at the top right corner. Select Export to PDF. Save the file to your desired location. And that's it. Exporting notes in Obsidian is super easy, whether it's as Markdown or PDF. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.